What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, guys, we're doing the Thermocolor Slime. What is Thermocolor Slime? Thermocolor Slime is slime that has thermochromic materials. What is thermocolor material? Thermocolor materials has colors that has molecules that changes color when heat absorbed and when heat is released, like mood rings. There's two types of thermochromic materials: liquid crystals and leucodynes, like tablets, TVs, and computers that use liquid crystal display, also known as LCD. Now let's get started. Okay, guys, first step is pour 75 ml of water. A little bit too much. Okay, now let's pour it into our test tube. And if you already put it here, that's good. Pour it in. Now do not open this powder with your teeth. Open it with some scissors, so you don't swallow it and you get hurt. Now stir it. Now we're going to shake it for 30 seconds. Let's put the lid back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now we're going to leave it here for 15 minutes, and you might want to shake it in every 5 minutes. Okay, guys, it's been 15 minutes. Now grab the top of the test tube and put it in hot water. Let's see if it changed colors for 5. And let's leave it in here for 5 minutes. Okay, guys, let's pull it out. Guys, it's green now. Now let's put it back in here. Let's see if it will turn different colors in 5 more minutes. Okay, guys, it really didn't change color this time. So let's take it out and put it here and let it cool down so we can play with it. And that's it for me today. And always do science. Bye!